There was once a little bird who only wanted to fly. He knew that once he was soaring high above the trees, he would be happy. But because he had been born so early, even before the flowers had begun to bloom, he knew his wings would fail him. He was so small that all the leaves in his nest were big enough to cover himself at night as a blanket. So he waited until his mother returned, soaring in the dark sky towards their high nest. One day, when he was perched on a branch near his nest, waiting for his mother to come back, he spotted a blue bird. She was dark in comparison to the brightness of the sky, and struggling to fly in a straight line. So, the little bird plucked up his courage and jumped from his home of twigs. But instead of flying towards the small, dark bird, he crashed into her. And they fell. Down, down,